I've been using the Glitching AI for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Glitching AI. So what is it? It's an advanced software designed to automate key aspects of dropshipping. Imagine having a tool that can identify trending products with good profit margins and low competition. Not just that, it can also generate complete product pages with images, descriptions, and reviews, all ready to be imported into your Shopify store. On top of that, it even creates an ad copy tailored for platforms like TikTok and Facebook, helping you target the right audience with the perfect marketing angle. Now let's compare this to traditional dropshipping methods. If you've tried dropshipping before, you know how much time goes into researching products manually, designing ads from scratch, and setting up your store piece by piece. But Glitching AI flips the script by automating these tasks so you can focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down in the details. With that said, traditional methods do offer more control and customization. So it really depends on whether you value efficiency or prefer to have hands-on control over every aspect of your business. Now let's talk about what makes Glitching AI appealing. First of all, it saves you a ton of time. Instead of spending hours researching products or writing ad copy, the AI does it all for you in minutes. Plus, it also handles inventory management and order fulfillment seamlessly, which means less stress for you as a business owner. So if scaling your business is a priority, this tool is designed to help you grow without adding any extra workload. However, there are some drawbacks. For instance, its pricing might be a sticking point for some people. At $40 a month or $100 a year, it's not exactly cheap, especially if you're just starting out. Additionally, there's also a bit of a learning curve when it comes to setting up integrations with your store and ad platforms. And while automation can make things easier, it doesn't guarantee instant success. You'll still need to monitor performance and tweak strategies as needed. To give you an example of how this tool works in action, imagine you're thinking about selling a trending gadget like a portable blender. With Glitching AI, you could analyze market trends to confirm its profitability in just minutes. The tool would then generate a complete professional-looking product page with images and descriptions that are ready to go live on your store. From there, it could create an ad campaign targeting health-conscious individuals or smoothie lovers, all without the usual hassle of doing everything manually. I know some of you might be wondering if this tool is really worth it. Here's the thing, while Glitching AI simplifies operations significantly, success in dropshipping still requires effort on your part. And before we wrap things up, I just want to mention that this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing in any tool or service. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.